Hi! In front of me is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this Oppo. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, like Chrome. Then you need to access background apps. In order to do that with Tricky's navigation, you can tap on this button with 3 lines. Now tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app and select Floating Window. Then click on this tiny one. As you can see, now I can use my app in pop-up view. If you wish to move it around, hold this line and drag it. You can also operate it overlay the other app by selecting the other one and using both. If you wish to make your app into this tiny window, click on Home button. Then access it by clicking on it. By tapping on top left corner on those 2 arrows, you can make your app full screen. So when I do that, as you can see, pop-up view is disabled. In order to close your app though, you can click on the top right corner of it on this X, or simply swipe it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!